I hear rain. I was just going to go to the alley and film a little intro, but I guess I'll just film it here with Tanner on my pink couch. I got work to do. There's one. Here's another. There's another. There's another and another and another. Here's one I finished. Oh, I'm so excited. Here's one I finished. Right there. Here's a Leroy Neiman that's half finished. This is half finished too. This is waiting on a frame. These are all waiting to be framed. Oh, what's inside this box? Oh, that's done. After 2 years, I ordered the sinks. And now I'm just waiting for the faucets. I'm almost done with this one, but I haven't started this one. Got my chop saw. Anybody want to come in and help me with the recycle? New, and finished.